You have personally transformed. It's just a miracle. It truly is. And this is just the beginning of the story.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. When I was a senior in high school, I got an abortion. It was so dark. I had to totally learn how to block that out of my memory. That is where the drugs, pills, and the heroin started. Years later, my drug use has cost me not only my 4-year-old son, because of the shame I had. It cost me my whole family. Me and my mother, we used, and she overdosed. When it came back, there was fentanyl. I just felt like I was too far gone to come back. I don't even know if I was feeling anything anymore. I really don't. I could not. I'm tired of my mess. Yeah, I was tired.
So good to see you. When I heard that you were here, I was just elated.
Inside the walls of Serenity, I felt instant love. I got to rest. I wasn't used to that. I didn't know if there was a God, but I started talking. And I said, Lord, just show me something. And he showed himself.
It's just a special thing to see how this program and how God has just transformed you.
I've been blessed with everything and more than I needed by being there. Family and support, the classes, everything was needed, and it was equipping me, training me, growing me.
Even whenever I did not know who you were at all, and you probably only heard the bad things about me.
The moment that I was able to feel, it changed everything. Sometimes I'll catch myself like laughing so hard or smiling so big throughout the day, my cheeks hurt, and then it's like, how beautiful is it that my darkness is now light? I am going to school. I have a relationship with my son I never thought I would have ever talked to again. I have a relationship with my family.
I don't think there's anything that's come along in my lifetime that I've been prouder of.
Thank you. My life now is filled every day with a sense of purpose and meaning. To see the Lord in it, He is definitely the God of restoration. I truly found what I love doing, and that is gardening.
And I'd come and you would say, let's go out to the garden.
Yes.
I want to show you the garden and what's growing.
I could not believe what grew. The tools, the coping skills, I'm using what Carm, the volunteers, even my sisters, what everyone's taught me. And there's just so much joy and happiness and life.